Our memory is a remarkable aspect of our cognitive function. It's what allows us to recall past experiences, store important information, and shape our identities. But have you ever wondered how it all works? Well, let's take a moment to explore the intriguing science behind brain memory. Extensive scientific research conducted around the globe has unraveled fascinating insights into the mysteries of memory. Did you know that memory formation involves complex interactions between different areas of the brain, including the hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex? It's truly awe-inspiring. Scientists have discovered that memory is not a single process, but rather a complex network of interconnected systems. These systems involve the encoding, storage, and retrieval of information. They have even identified various types of memory, such as short-term memory, long-term memory, and procedural memory. As amazing as our memory can be, it's not always flawless. There are various factors that can contribute to forgetfulness and memory loss. Aging, stress, sleep deprivation, poor nutrition, and certain medical conditions can all impact our memory function. But fret not. Emerging research suggests that specific foods can provide a nourishing boost to our brain and help support our memory function. That's why, in today's video, we're going to delve into the top 10 foods that have been scientifically shown to enhance brain memory. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our mind-expanding content. Now, let's start fueling our brains for memory mastery. First on the list we have blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that help improve memory and protect the brain from oxidative stress. Whether enjoyed on their own, mixed into smoothies, or sprinkled over yogurt, blueberries are a tasty and nutritious way to give your brain a boost. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and trout are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Omega-3s promote the growth of brain cells and enhance memory function. So, why not try incorporating grilled salmon into your dinner rotation or enjoying a delicious fish taco? Turmeric is also good for brain memory. This vibrant yellow spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, helping to clear away plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. Spice up your meals with turmeric or enjoy a comforting cup of golden milk. Fourth on the list is broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is a true memory champion. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, broccoli supports brain health and may even slow down age-related cognitive decline. Whether steamed, roasted, or tossed into a refreshing salad, make sure to add this nutritional powerhouse to your plate. Pumpkin seeds. Don't toss those pumpkin seeds after carving your Halloween masterpiece. These tiny seeds are loaded with magnesium, iron, zinc, and antioxidants. Magnesium, in particular, plays a crucial role in learning and memory. Enjoy them roasted as a snack or sprinkled over salads for a delightful crunch. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants that can enhance focus and improve memory. Indulge in a square or two of high-quality dark chocolate as a delicious treat while giving your brain a delightful boost. Spinach. Popeye was onto something with his love for spinach. This leafy green is rich in brain-boosting nutrients, including folate, vitamins E and K, and antioxidants. Incorporate spinach into your salads, smoothies, or sautés to reap its memory-enhancing benefits. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all excellent sources of nutrients crucial for brain health. These power-packed snacks contain omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E, which work together to support memory and cognitive function. Keep a stash of mixed nuts and seeds for a convenient brain-boosting snack. Oranges. Start your day with a refreshing glass of orange juice or indulge in a juicy orange for a natural dose of vitamin C. Research suggests that vitamin C may help prevent mental decline and support healthy brain function. Plus, the natural sweetness of oranges makes them a delightful and nutritious treat. Lastly, we have green tea. Sip your way to better memory with a cup of green tea. Packed with antioxidants and a compound called catechin, Green tea offers neuroprotective benefits and may enhance memory and attention. Brew yourself a cup and enjoy the calming and brain-boosting effects. In conclusion, incorporating these top 10 memory-boosting foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your brain health and cognitive function. From the antioxidant-rich blueberries to the omega-3 packed fatty fish, each food offers unique benefits that support memory and overall brain function. So, start fueling your brain with these delicious and nutritious options and unlock the full potential of your memory. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your brain health.